Do you want to unfriend someone on Facebook? You can remove a friend from Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To unfriend someone on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the search bar at the top and type the name of the person you want to unfriend. From the search results, tap on their profile to open their Facebook profile page. Now you're on their profile screen. Tap on the Friends button below their name and profile picture. A pop-up menu with different options will appear. From this menu, tap on Unfriend. Again, a pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Tap on Confirm to complete the process. Now, that person is removed from your Facebook friends list. They will not be notified that you've unfriended them unless they visit your profile.